crossed the line, Alfie.
You fucking what?
You crossed the line. The line?
They're using my boy!
Do you fucking know?
Yeah, I knew, you know, but damned as I am, made no fucking difference to me, mate.
I want him to acknowledge that he who fights by the sword, he fucking dies by it, Tommy.
So they took your boy, did they? Yeah? You got your boy?
And what fucking line am I supposed to have crossed? How many fathers, right? How many sons, yeah? Have you cut, killed, murdered, fucking butchered, innocent and guilty to send straight to fucking hell, ain't you? Just like me! You fucking stand there. You, judging me, stand there and talk to me about crossing some fucking line.